Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and analyze the latest gadgets and gizmos on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of smart meeting technology with the Vibe Smart Camera Smart Whiteboard.
Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the features of this innovative device.
The Vibe Smart Camera is designed to revolutionize your meetings with its ultra-wide 4K sensor, boasting a whopping 142-degree field of view. This means that no matter where you're seated in the room, you'll always be in frame.
But what really sets the Vibe Smart Camera apart is its intelligent meeting layout technology. Gone are the days of awkwardly adjusting the camera during video calls. With auto-framing and gallery mode, everyone in the meeting gets their time in the spotlight, ensuring clear visibility for all team members. And let's not forget about audio quality.
The Vibe Smart Camera features a 6-microphone array with advanced AI noise cancellation technology. Whether you're sitting at the head of the table or the far end of the room, your voice will come through loud and clear, making remote collaboration a breeze.
Setting up the Vibe Smart Camera is a breeze too. Forget about complicated app downloads and driver installations. Simply plug it into your Whiteboard, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. But don't just take our word for it. Users are raving about the Vibe Smart Camera's effectiveness in a variety of settings, from classrooms to boardrooms. Whether you're a teacher looking to engage your students or a business professional hosting virtual meetings, the Vibe Smart Camera is a game changer. So there you have it, folks. If you're ready to elevate your meetings to the next level, look no further than the Vibe Smart Camera Smart Whiteboard. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.